Umbrella Jizo. Once upon a time, an old man and an old woman lived in the depths of a mountain far away. On New Year's Eve, my grandfather went out to town to sell a hat in the snow, but none of them were sold. My grandfather felt like it was going to be a snowstorm, so I gave up selling the hat and decided to go home. On the way home in the snowstorm, my grandfather found 6 Jizo-sama. The Jizo is wearing a snow in pure white, and it looks very cold. This is the Jizo-sama. It must be cold with so much snow. Please wear this hat. Having said that, the old man put the hat that was supposed to be sold on the head of the Jizo. However, one of the last Jizo was not enough, so the old man put on the towel he was wearing. When the grandfather told this story to the grandmother was very happy. "Grandpa, you did a good thing." That night, I heard the sound of zushin and zushin from a distance. My grandfather and grandmother gently looked outside. Then, in the snow, a Jizo-sama wearing a hat walks while pulling a heavy luggage. The Jizo at the back was wearing his grandfather's hand towel. Where is the kind grandfather's house? Thank you for putting on the hat. Where is the kind grandfather's house? Thank you for wearing a hat. The sound gradually became louder, and when I came to the front of my grandfather's house, the Jizo put up a big luggage and went back to the snow again. My grandfather and grandmother opened the door of the house when the Jizo was gone. There were 6 rice bales there. In this way, the 2 of them were able to have a fun New Year. The end.